Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, we are going to be talking about a face cleanser from Cosrx. I have recently got this low pH good morning gel cleanser from Cosrx, and right now the one that I'm using is this mini pack. But you can get the full size tube where you get 150 ml of product and it retails for 850 rupees. The key ingredients of this face wash are betaine salicylate, which is a BHA, and Saccharomyces ferment, and also it has tea tree oil. It has some cleansing as well as soothing ingredients. And the pH of this cleanser is low, which favors the natural pH of our skin and maintains a good healthy skin and a healthy skin barrier. Now, because it has BHA, it gently exfoliates your skin and helps to get rid of all the dirt and gunk from your pores. And also it can help you to reduce oil and sebum from your skin, resulting in less acne. It lathers up pretty well and thoroughly cleanses your skin. Now, there's just one thing that I dislike about this cleanser is the fragrance. No, it does not has any artificial fragrance. It's just the tea tree extract that it has, which gives it the very natural fragrance. But if you're someone who has always been using products with fragrances and it does not bother you, it's fine. But it has been quite some years for me of not using fragranced products. So yeah, मुझे बहुत जल्दी नाक में लग जाती है whenever I use something with even a tad bit of fragrance. But it's nothing to be worried about because it is not an artificial perfume or fragrance. It's just from the tea tree extract. Now, should you go for this cleanser? Honestly, I did not find anything great about this cleanser that you should spend like 800 rupees on this. It's just a normal usual face wash, and if you want to get this just for the low pH factor, you can get a lot of different cleansers in the market which are very much cheaper. There's nothing extraordinary, there's nothing out of the box that it brings to your table, so it's not a must have in my opinion. But yeah, overall, if I talk about the cleansing factor, it works pretty much like a normal usual regular face cleanser, and it does not dry out your skin, it does not make your skin tight or patchy. It leaves your skin nice and hydrated. But again, that can be achieved with a lot of different cheaper alternatives as well. So yeah, that's all about this cleanser, and I hope this short and simple review was of some help for you and you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you with another one. Until then, it's me Akanshya signing off. Bye.